Hello everybody, so I'm Dale Niehaus. The Tuis Home Theatre is really a little destination within a destination. So remember, every 90 minutes there's a new show happening. Starting in the morning with our coffee tasting from the Gap Coffee Company. After that we have our food demo where we'll be launching the recipe book Tada! And of course then, right after the cooking dems, our guide Dion, our DIY guru, he'll be taking his turn, and then of course after that Nadine Vosloo will be showing us and demonstrating us the versatility of chalk paint. And the perfect way to end the day is with our gin tasting. I suggest what you do is, because the expo is so huge, and what you actually need to do is look at it as a little stopover. So come and join us for our 90-minute sessions. Go out to the rest of the expo, and just when you think your feet are killing you, come back and have a seat with us and we'll inspire and amaze you.